Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off Monday, the market will pay attention to the Asian session with the release of the latest quarterly GDP figures from Japan. During the first quarter, this important figure rose by 1%, showing a significant improvement in the Japanese economy, and we may see the yen receive a boost if the number comes in strong and above expectations. On Tuesday during the Asian session, we'll see a statement from the Reserve Bank of Australia on monetary policy. Governor Glenn Stevens refrained in his latest speech to mention the Australian dollar as the currency headed towards the central bank's preferred level of around US 70 cents. With the recent strength of the Aussie dollar, he may be inclined again to talk down the currency, and we may see the Australian dollar come under pressure. In the European session, we'll see the latest producer price index as well as CPI figures from the UK in the month of July. From the beginning of March, inflation in the UK has remained above zero, causing the pound to remain flat, and we may see the currency take a fall if this number fails to meet expectations. In the American session, the market will await key housing data from the US with the release of the latest building permits and housing starts numbers. The US property market has recovered strongly recently, and the US dollar should strengthen on the back of more good news. On Wednesday, the highlight of the day will be the American session with the release of the latest consumer price index numbers as well as the FOMC minutes from the US Federal Reserve. Over the last 3 months, the CPI figures have been on the up as the American economy gathers momentum, and another good reading may add speculation to the possibility of a rate hike by the Fed in September. On Thursday, during the European session, the market will pay attention to the latest retail sales figures out of the UK for the month of July. These numbers have been quite weak in recent times, which may put into question a planned interest rate hike from the Bank of England later this year. We expect some volatility and a few trading opportunities in the pound as this news hits the market. In the US session, investors will pay attention to the release of the manufacturing index from the Philadelphia Fed, which has shown mixed signals lately and should cause some volatility and trading opportunities in the US dollar. On Friday, the focus of the day will be on the American session with the release of the latest consumer price index numbers out of Canada for the month of July. The number came in at 0% last month, well done on previous month's figures of 0.4%, which surely closed some problems developing in the Canadian economy. Traders will be hoping for a rebound this month to see the Canadian dollar finish the week on a high note. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.